Welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we're diving into one of the most powerful ways to grow your YouTube channel, YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization. If you've ever wondered how some videos seem to appear everywhere on search results, in suggested videos, or on the homepage, SEO is the secret behind it. So let's explore how you can make your content more discoverable and attract a larger audience. First, we will talk about the importance of keywords. Keywords are the foundation of YouTube SEO. They are the words or phrases people type into the search bar when looking for videos. For example, if someone searches how to start a YouTube channel, YouTube scans all video titles, descriptions, and tags to find the most relevant content. By using the right keywords in your title, description, and tags, you're essentially telling YouTube, this video is exactly what the viewer is looking for. Here's how it helps you grow. Better visibility. Videos with strong keyword optimization are more likely to appear in search results. Higher engagement. When your content matches what viewers want, they'll watch longer, boosting your ranking. Channel authority. Consistent keyword-focused videos build trust with both YouTube and your audience. So before uploading, always think, what is my audience searching for? Now let's talk about tools for keyword research. Finding the right keywords doesn't have to be a guessing game. Thankfully, there are tools to help you discover what people are actually searching for. Here are some excellent options. 1. YouTube search bar. Start typing a topic, and YouTube will auto-suggest popular searches. That's real-time keyword data. 2. Google Trends. Compare the popularity of search terms and see what's trending in your niche. 3. TubeBuddy and vidIQ. These browser extensions give you keyword scores, competition analysis, and even tag suggestions. 4. KeywordTool.io generates hundreds of keyword ideas based on what users are typing in. Using these tools helps you strike the perfect balance. It gives you the right keywords that have high search volume but low competition. Now let's move on to optimizing metadata for searchability. Now that you have the right keywords, let's put them to work. Metadata is all the information surrounding your video. The title, description tags, and even your thumbnail file name. Here's how to optimize it effectively. Title: keep it clear, keyword-rich, and click-worthy. Example: how to grow your YouTube channel fast. 5 proven tips. Description: use your main keyword naturally within the first few lines and explain what your video offers. Tags: add both specific and related tags to help YouTube understand your content better. File name: rename your video before uploading. For example, YouTube SEO tips.m4 instead of video1through.mp4. Captions and subtitles: uploading accurate captions improves accessibility and SEO. In short, mastering YouTube SEO means understanding what your audience wants and aligning your content to match those searches. By researching effective keywords and optimizing your metadata, you'll make your videos easier to find, and your audience will start to grow organically. Remember, it won't happen overnight, but with consistency you will see visible results. In our next lesson, we'll look at practical strategies to engage and retain your audience once they've found you. We'll cover everything from the basics to advanced strategies, giving you a complete roadmap to YouTube success. Your YouTube growth journey just got a major boost. See you in the next video. Thank you.